This video is generated by an AI clone of Sheldon Sim's altered content. Most YouTube strategies have a structural flaw, not a content problem, not a title problem, a missing layer identified. You're collecting data everywhere, analytics, comments, competitor research, watch time percentages, but none of it connects into a single decision framework. You make a video, you check the numbers, you make another video. That's not a system, that's a loop. The missing piece isn't more data. It's a layer that reads the data you already have and tells you what it actually means. NotebookLM isn't a content generator. It isn't a chatbot that makes things up. It's a research brain, and for operators, that distinction matters. Most AI tools are designed to produce output. NotebookLM is designed to surface patterns. Those are fundamentally different functions, and if you're running a channel at any kind of volume, long form, shorts, or both, pattern recognition is where the bottleneck lives. Here's what I mean. Every week, you're making decisions. Which topic to prioritize, which angle converts, which video idea is worth the production cost. At low volume, you can gut check those calls. At scale, gut checking becomes the time leak. What operators actually need isn't more ideas, it's decision quality, faster. NotebookLM solves that problem, and it does it using data you already own. Your back catalog, your transcripts, your highest retention videos, everything your audience has already told you, sitting unused because there's no connective layer reading it. That's the architecture problem defined. And in the next 4 minutes, I'll show you the exact experiment I ran and the three-step system you can deploy tonight. This video features an AI clone and contains altered content. The experiment was simple, 3 steps. Step 1, I pulled transcripts from my top 10 videos, not my most recent videos, my top 10 by audience retention. There's a reason for that distinction. Retention tells you what kept people watching. Recency just tells you what you made last. You want the videos your audience stayed for, not the ones you published most recently. That's a different list. It matters. Step 2, I uploaded all 10 transcripts into one NotebookLM notebook as source documents. Then I asked one question, just one. What questions does my audience still have that I haven't answered yet? NotebookLM surfaced 3 patterns I hadn't consciously named. First, creators want the rule, not the reasoning behind it. They're not looking for context. They're looking for the decision. Second, they distrust tools that ask for trust before delivering proof. They need to see the result before they'll commit to the process every time. Third, they're not looking for inspiration. They're looking for permission to simplify. That one surprised me, but it showed up across every high retention video in my catalog. Consistent signal, not noise. Those 3 patterns became 3 video topics, not brainstormed, extracted from data my audience already gave me months ago. That's the operator's advantage. You stop guessing what your audience wants next. You start reading the evidence they already left behind. Step 3, I cross-referenced each pattern against keyword demand. Every pain point NotebookLM surfaced, I ran it through a keyword tool. Checked search volume, checked competition score. The intersection of high demand and low competition, that's your content calendar. 3 confirmed topics. 0 guesswork, that's the experiment. This video features an AI clone with altered content to demonstrate a system workflow. Here's how to run this system start to finish. 1 session, under an hour. Step 1, pull your top 10 video transcripts. YouTube Studio has them listed under captions for every video. Download each one, copy and paste the text into a document. Don't clean them up, don't reformat them. NotebookLM doesn't need perfect inputs, it needs complete ones. Raw is fine. Step 2, open NotebookLM. Create 1 new notebook. Upload all 10 transcripts as source documents. Then ask 2 questions, only 2. What questions does my audience still have that I haven't answered yet? What pain points appear consistently across multiple videos? Write down every answer it surfaces. Don't filter, don't edit, don't dismiss anything yet. Just document the full output. This step alone will surface patterns you've been circling for months without naming. Not because you weren't paying attention, because reading your own catalog for cross-video patterns isn't a human speed task. It's a machine speed task. That's the entire point of the system. Step 3, take that list to your keyword tool. Run each pain point against search volume and competition score. Anything with real demand and manageable competition, that's a confirmed topic. Not a guess. A data-backed content decision. How long does the full process take? 1 hour, maybe less the second time through, and you walk out with a mapped content calendar, not a brainstorm list, a calendar with confirmed demand behind every topic. Most creators skip this step because it doesn't feel like making content. It isn't. It's decision architecture, and decision architecture is what separates operators from creators. Your next 10 videos are already inside your last 10 videos. NotebookLM just makes you see them. The next experiment is on your screen right now. Trust the system.